Hey guys, so I'm in the bathroom. Yes, I'm looking a little crazy, but I decided to bring you guys with me because I've been looking a hot mess, just period. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. There's no sugarcoating it. And right now, I gotta get myself together, okay? So if you're interested in seeing me get myself together, please stay tuned. Like multitasking will work, so this video is going to be a little choppy. I'm technically working right now, okay? Let me get my mirror. I can't see like this. It'd be messed up if I mess up on film. Change my nose ring because it's been a minute and it's time. After so long, they stop shining like I like them. Everything is kind of everywhere when I wasn't, at my house. So I gotta get stuff situated. I need to find all my products. This is an eye cream. I'm gonna have to use it for my face because I can't find my face cream.
Change of scenery, yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery, yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you. Chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free.
Hang on.
Nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run. Time to ride it out. It's your time. Oh, cheers to all the haters, 'cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. Poison's gonna kill you from the inside out. It's time to say it with your chest now. Say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride. Nobody take me here and now. train, say yeah. Yeah. If you gotta walk, say yeah. Yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Yeah. Young or old, I really don't care. Yeah. Life has never really been fair. Yeah. So put your fist up in the air. Yeah. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh.
Alright guys, now this right here, this is long overdue. I won this right here in a giveaway from Jen on Demand. Shout out to Jen on Demand and the lovely giveaway. I know that I'm late showing you guys what I won, but I've been a little all over the place, and I wanted to properly open it up on film for you guys and give you guys a try on. Came from Amazon. Inside they gave a weaving cap. Probably not gonna use that, but they did give that. There is also a card, icy hair, and this is an Amazon seller, and it has the how to wear, how to wash instructions and everything. Y'all don't pay no attention to my nails. I gotta get a fill in. They gave me this cute little edge brush, so now I don't have to use my toothbrush. I buy a special toothbrush for my edges, but this seems like it's much firmer, and it also has like a comb at the end. So kudos to Icy Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. That's what they put inside of the bag. Let me go on ahead and show you guys my unit. Let me take the hairnet off. I did not get black, guys. When I won the giveaway and she told me to choose my color, I was like, I'm finna pop out. Well, first I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. It's a synthetic wig unit. It has like the bangs, and I got mine with some color. I'll tell you guys the official color, but right now I'm gonna go on and try this on. Okay, I'm almost certain I look like my mom right now. First of all, I haven't had bangs, flat bangs. I will tell you this, my hair, my afro is not flat down. This is kind of a spur of the moment video today, so my hair is not flat down. So when I actually do wear this unit, I'll try to make sure that I, you know, flatten my hair as much as possible. But I feel like a whole teacher or something right now. I don't know, but this is synthetic, okay? So that's one thing I wanted to let you guys know what I think will be perfect, because I really don't wear, when I do wear wigs, I don't really wear synthetic wigs. I was thinking on those days, and y'all, just got off work. The sunlight is great in my room, so I'm improvising. I'm on the floor right now, but I was thinking on those days, if I need to run to the store, I don't have a headband wig. But with this one right here, it won't even focus on me because it don't look like me. I got my face set up in the camera. It's not even focusing. But I was thinking if I need to run out synthetic wig, you ain't got time to play with it, to make it, you know, like you really want it. Pop that baseball cap. This will be a good baseball cap wig. I don't know. But that was just a thought. Like I said, I decided to go with color. I believe Jen on Demand had this one on in a black. I think I like the black more, but trying to do something different. I may end up chopping this up a little bit because the length is a little bit off for me. So I may end up chopping it just a little to give it some layers. But this is the wig that I won in the giveaway. Thank you, Jen. I appreciate you, girl. And I just think it's a really, you know, it's really affordable. Go check out her video because she has all the specs. Like I said, I didn't pay for this. I don't have all the details for it. But if you go check out her video, I think hers was black. And you can see what it looks like in black. And then you can also check out the deets and everything. But let me turn around for you. Okay. I have to get used to the shininess. That's the only thing with synthetic wigs that I'm self-conscious about is the sheen. So, but like I said, this would be a little bit more flatter if, you know, my hair was actually like it should be. But I just wanted to show y'all my giveaway prize from Miss Jen on Demand. Thanks, girl.